Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's Point. In this video you will watch the qualities of a good teacher. So let's begin. A good teacher is more than just an expert in their subject matter. They are individuals who can inspire, guide and positively shape the mind of their students. A great teacher not only educates but also motivates, nurtures and encourages a lifelong love for learning and support students' overall development. This essay explores the key qualities that define a successful teacher. Passion for teaching. A good teacher has a genuine passion for teaching and for the subject they are imparting. A deep-rooted passion for teaching is the cornerstone of a remarkable teacher. Such teachers don't just relay information, they bring their subject matter to life. A passionate teacher instills enthusiasm in their students, making learning engaging and exciting. This passion is contagious, encouraging students to become more involved and interested in their materials and engage more actively. When a teacher genuinely loves what they teach, they spark curiosity, making learning an enjoyable and immersive experience. Strong communication skills. Effective communication is essential for a teacher's success. A teacher must clearly convey concepts and instructions to students in a way that is understandable to them. As author Stephen Covey noted, seek first to understand, then to be understood. A good teacher not only speaks clearly but also listens attentively to their students' questions and concerns. This two-way communication builds a strong teacher and student relationship, fostering an open and collaborative learning environment. Patience, understanding and encouragement. Patience is one of the most important qualities a teacher can have, as each student's learning style varies. A good teacher understands this and allows students the time they need to learn at their own style. Patience ensures that no students feel rushed or left behind, creating a supportive atmosphere where students are more likely to thrive. Great teachers give students the time they need to grasp difficult concepts. Learning is a gradual process, and students often take time to grasp new concepts. They recognize the importance of encouragement, helping students overcome challenges without feeling pressured or inadequate. This patience cultivates a nurturing atmosphere where students feel supported in their academic journey. Adaptability in changing environments. In a world where educational needs are rapidly evolving, adaptability is a vital quality for any teacher. The ability to adapt to different teaching environments and students need a critical trait for any teacher. John Dewey famously said, "If we teach today's students as we taught yesterday's, we rob them of tomorrow." Whether it's using different instructional strategies or adapting to new technologies, adaptability ensures the teacher remains effective in changing circumstances. Outstanding teachers are flexible to adjust their teaching methods to suit the diverse learning styles and needs of their students. New technology and current educational standards ensuring that each student receives relevant and personalized guidance. Empathy and compassion. A great teacher is empathetic and compassionate, understanding the emotional and social challenges their students may face. As Carl Jung stated, "One look back with appreciation to the brilliant teachers, but with gratitude to those who touch our human feelings." Being empathetic helps a teacher connect with their students on a deeper level, making them feel valued and understood. This emotional support can be just as crucial to student success as academic instructions. Effective teaching goes beyond academics. It's about understanding students' emotional and social needs. An empathetic teacher can build connections that transcend the classroom, offering a safe space for students to express themselves. By showing compassion, teachers remind students that they are valued individuals, which bolster their self-esteem and motivates them to excel. Commitment to students' success. A teacher's dedication to their students' success is fundamental. An expectational teacher is fully committed to their students' growth and goes beyond the textbook, investing extra time and effort to ensure their students understand the material and feel supported. As Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. A dedicated teacher recognizes the importance of their role in shaping the future and commits to being a positive force in the life of their students. Recognize the long-term impact of their work, inspiring students to strive towards their full potential. Lifelong learner. A great teacher embodies the principle of lifelong learning, continuously enhancing their skills and knowledge. They continually seek to improve their teaching techniques, stay updated on educational research, and expand their knowledge. As Aristotle wisely noted, the more you know, the more you realize you don't know. A teacher who values learning models this behavior for their students, encouraging them to adopt a growth mindset and never stop pursuing knowledge, whether through professional development or personal study. They are always seeking ways to improve. By modeling a growth mindset, they inspire students to view learning as a never-ending journey, cultivating resilience and curiosity. Conclusion. In conclusion, a good teacher is passionate, patient, empathetic, and adaptable, with strong communication skills and a commitment to lifelong learning. And these qualities, combined with a dedication to continuous improvement, make teachers not just instructors but true mentor. As Henry Brooks Adams said, a teacher affects eternity. They can never tell where their influence stops. Great teachers do more than teach. They inspire and nurture, leaving a lasting impact on their students that extends far beyond the classroom. Now please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Please support us. Thank you.